Hello everyone, welcome. Thought I'd give you a bit of an update on the camper. I've just done a tiny little modification to it. I didn't bother filming putting it on, it wasn't that exciting, so I'll just show you the finished product. So one thing we had noticed with a couple of wet trips, obviously this isn't sealed, but yeah, obviously stuff would get wet when it was raining. Mainly just when it's closed up, because on top here was just all exposed mesh. So what I've done is I've actually had an old cut off piece of alloy checker plate, and I've run some silicone along the lengths of it on both sides, and it sits just nicely under the edge of the tent. So hopefully now while it's folded up, the rain should fall off, hit the metal and then run off either end, and then I've just sealed it with some silicone on either end just to sort of help when driving. So it would be interesting to see how much water actually stays out now. Obviously there's still going to be a bit get in, mainly when you're driving obviously, but it'd just be interesting to see how much it minimizes water getting into the actual roof cage, because as you can see on this side the tent covers all of that. Overhangs at the front here too, so you've got a fair bit of coverage just from the tent, but it was mainly just for when parked up and packed up, just to stop all that runoff leaking onto our chairs and bits and pieces. So yeah, I just thought I'd put that on. I've just got some little, so I just secured it with some little square U-bolts and then just cut the ends so that they're not so long. Sorry for the terrible lighting. These ones I just left because they're not too bad, we don't have a lot of stuff in there. But yeah, that's on there now. On there should be helping a fair bit, I would imagine. I'm pretty happy with it. It doesn't look too bad. I know it's not the best, but for something that you can do at home, relatively cheap, and I already had the offcut laying around, so I didn't have to buy anything there. So hopefully it works fairly well. Should be a nice little addition to it. Hopefully does what I intend it to do. And then I think it's next week, might be next week, this is going in to get a Redarc BCDC put into it. It's got no battery, sort of no battery charging system in it for when you're hooked up to your car. It's just straight to the batteries. So this Hilux having a smart alternator is a fair bit of load on it, so I thought I'd put the BCDC in it to try and take some of the load off of the alternator, trying to charge the two big batteries that are in this. Plus side is it's lithium compatible, so if I ever change to lithium when the batteries die, it'll save weight. The Redarc controllers can manage all of that, and it's got the option for solar as well, so just it does away with the need of carrying actual solar regulators. So I'll be able to just hook straight up to the Redarc with the solar panels, and it should charge pretty well. Anyway, that's the update so far, guys. Been busy doing my lawn. Lawn's coming along quite nicely for anyone that cares. That's sort of, I'll throw up some befores and after. But yeah, it's come back really nice so far. It's probably only been about a bit over a month, I think, since I did it. So it'd be about a month. Have to be close to a month since I did the lawn reno, so it's coming back quite nicely, really quickly too actually. So anyway, that's the update. I'll catch you in another video.